Hi, I'm Kenneth and I'm an analyst at 𝐓𝐡𝐚𝐧𝐤 Financial Services. Of late, a lot of people have been asking me if we're in a recession or not. So let's find out. Now, to answer your question, are we in a recession or not? Yes, we are. So IMF has predicted the growth rate to be around 3.6% and it was 6.1% the last year. India's GDP has been growing for the past 10 years, but in the recent past, it's growing at a diminishing rate. So these are signs of a recession. What happens during a recession is that the short term yields more than the long term. And if you've noticed, mid cap has fallen by around 10% and small cap by 8%. So what should we do as retail investors during this time? Find out in the next episode. No, I'm kidding.
So Kenneth, can you tell me what a recession is?
So recession is the reduced economic growth and performance for over 2 quarters in a year. But don't confuse that with depression. Exactly, not this kind of depression. Depression is when there's recession for a longer duration of time. We don't want to go there, do we? So what can the government do during this time? Firstly, they can reduce the interest rates so the public can spend more money. And another alternative would be to print more money. So again, the public can spend, so we get out of a recession. They can also cut tax rates. Remember I told you guys we're in a recession? Well, yes, but not really. Guys, relax. We're in stagflation. So stagflation is where there's reduced economic growth and development and there's inflation.
So, Kenneth, what does a retail investor like myself invest in this kind of economy?
Hey, Google Matpa.
So let me save you the trouble of Googling and tell you what retail investors must do. Firstly, geographical diversification. There are strong economies outside of India and countries are growing, so you should invest outside. Secondly, insure yourself, secure your health, maybe buy an emergency fund. So what should happen in the economy? First of all, there should be increase in production and innovation. We believe, India's service sector can contribute a lot to this. How to be innovative? Let's see. Like how we're in this video. If you learned something and enjoyed the video, subscribe and share.